Deploy Agentic EHR Viewer. First, clone the public GitHub repository, then enter the new project directory. Next, activate the Python environment and install the backend dependencies from the requirements file. Copy the environment template, then add your OpenAI API key privately. Never display or commit the key. Start the application server. The viewer will be available locally on port 8006. Finally, open the local address in a browser. The application loads the patient record and presents the clinical summary, key alerts, key findings, and longitudinal visualizations. Learn more in the GitHub repository or visit the EHR Viewer visualization package website.